Is it on?
Yes, it is.
Especially now when it's on videos. Hi, this is Miranda.
Miranda on
This is Miranda, and we are at the Palladium right now, about to see Coraline. Yeah, I'm so excited. And I just went up my nostril. You got so close to the nostril. Don't you dare zoom in, or I'll kill you.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
I see you zooming, Missy.
No, I'm not.
I'm just kidding.
I am not zooming in. Okay. Okay. Okay, that was just.
I know you zoomed in.
No, I didn't.
Okay. You ever do something stupid?
Okay, get up, do something stupid.
I don't know what to do. 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 I'm just gonna sit here and do. I'm just kidding.
I'll set the camera.
I'll catch up. Oh shit. That's so funny.
Here, I'm gonna set the camera over here.
Okay.
And then we can just parade around, I guess.
Oh god.
I keep getting louder.
Okay, is it still on?
Yes, it is.
Oh, okay.
I will set it over here.
Come on.
Over here.
Let me see this. No, okay. Stand where you can't see me. I definitely do not know you. Okay,
Yes, you do.
Stay right here.
Stand right here?
No. Okay. You think you can see me? On there? No. I just tried to help you. I guess. I'm just kidding. Is it over? No. Those boys that are watching us and are getting horny. I hope they heard me say that. They'll quit staring. I'm just kidding.
Put them in the camera. They're officially in the video.
Y'all are in the video.
Let's do it again.
No. You have to stay there and I'll be like the ketchup dude.
Okay,
I'll be the oh shit guy. Where I shit my pants. Okay.
Okay.
Is it done? Okay. Say our pieces, deuces.
Adults. Okay.